My name is Gabriel, and this is my friend Preston. My channel will be called Gabe Explore. This is a kids and adult friendly channel. We're going to do fun things like board games and challenges, cooking and taste testing. One of my favorite things we're going to be doing is karaoke and dancing. Educational trips, science experiments, and so much more. Stay tuned and like and subscribe. Bye!